What the dog doing?
This is a meme coin that was first created as a joke, and besides Elon Musk bumping it from time to time, I really don't see how the price can go higher than it was before. Every minute, 10,000 new Dogecoins are mined, and I think Dogecoin having an unlimited supply will just make its price go lower over time. It's still an OG meme coin though, and in the top 10 of most well-known crypto coins, so I can see the price go up by a little, but not much honestly. So with no potential to really grow, I think this should be a D on this tier list. With the second highest market of all crypto coins, as well with the largest developer community of them all, Ethereum is a pretty nice coin to buy. There are a few skeptics about Ethereum's future, especially about its centralization, but its ecosystem and huge utility everywhere makes it a good choice if you're planning to buy some crypto. And there are so many apps and services that use this coin, so I doubt it will lose popularity. There is some potential for this coin to grow even more, and having its supply being burned to stabilize the market gives it longevity, which is nice. Ethereum used to be slow and expensive to use, but nowadays as the time passes, it's getting faster and more efficient. You can also stake your Ethereum, meaning you can help the network and validate transactions while lending your coins and getting some passive income at around 4% returns every year. So I think Ethereum is a very stable coin that deserves to be at A on this tier list. With the highest market cap of them all and consistently growing every year, Bitcoin is the king of all crypto coins. This is the best long-term investment you can make in the crypto space. Being known as digital gold, its limited supply makes the coin naturally become more valuable over time. Unlike many other coins on this tier list, its low risk and high growth is a no-brainer for anyone who wants to spend some money on crypto. Not only Bitcoin is accepted into so many payments and services like Ethereum, but it is also more decentralized than any other major crypto coin, which is great. Being the most recognizable and mainstream crypto of all time makes it so that more and more people want to invest in it as time passes. We saw El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as a legal form of currency, and every day there are more countries not only investing on this coin but also planning to add as a legal form of payment. Bitcoin keeps growing despite every world event, market crash, and it might reach $1 million one day. So of course I will have Bitcoin as S tier on this list, being a must-buy for everyone who is into crypto. So I'm a little skeptic about this coin and I really don't know how to feel about it. I think XRP is in this weird position where it has some potential, but at the same time, there are a few sketchy things around it that makes me want to take a step back. First of all, Ripple owns 60% of all XRP, which is scary to think about it. So it's not a decentralized coin, which should be the purpose of crypto. Secondly, they were pre-mined, meaning the 100 billion XRP that is kept already exists, but it's just not in circulation. Every month, Ripple releases 1 billion XRP, and despite all the hype and speculation, I'd still be cautious before investing in this coin. If you have the extra money and you have already bought different coins, then I think buying some XRP could be a solid play. It's more of a gamble rather than a safe bet. So I think XRP should be at C tier on this list. It's a wild card for sure.
This is a certified hood classic.
Okay, so hear me out. I think Solana is a pretty nice coin. And before I get the death penalty for saying that, let me give you my reasons. First, it's crazy fast, processing up to 65,000 transactions every second. Also, the fees are almost zero, around a quarter of a cent. It's got a strong market cap of around $100 billion and growing, being one of the biggest crypto coins while powering so many decentralized finance platforms and a lot of apps. It's great. It's already a mainstream crypto coin, and being a key factor for so many meme coins, wallets, ecosystems gives it huge utility. But here's the catch. It's not as decentralized as Bitcoin or even Ethereum, and it's a very volatile coin. However, it's still miles ahead of so many other coins when it comes to potential to grow. I think Solana fits great at B on this tier list. Good coin to diversify, just don't expect the price going to the moon overnight.
Wait.
If you think Doge is a risky investment, then wait until you hear about Shiba Inu. This is another meme coin that was hyped for a while before it died down pretty fast. It's just a worse version of Dogecoin that has no real use, no reason to buy, and its only investors are people hoping some trend catches on. But it never will. I'm placing SHIB at F tier on this tier list. Pretty worthless meme coin. This coin was created by an ex-Google engineer with the goal of being a faster and cheaper alternative to Bitcoin. But the thing is, nobody really cares that much about Litecoin. There is some utility to this coin, however, it still has a small and limited ecosystem, and its market underperformance and slow growth gives me almost no reason to invest in it. And there are already many altcoins that are faster and have cheaper transactions than Litecoin. I don't think it's an awful investment, but there are so many better options. So I'm putting Litecoin at C on this tier list. You just got rug pulled by the president. Congratulations!
Baba Booey.
With a nice market cap and strong utility, BNB or Binance Coin is a very interesting investment. This is the native token of the Binance ecosystem created for trading fee discounts, which now used for transactions, governance, staking, and even payments. Every quarter, Binance uses 1/5 of its profit to repurchase or burn BNB held in its treasury to keep up its value over time. It's having a pretty consistent growth with even more potential, but be careful. There are a couple red flags with this coin. It's super centralized, and in 2023, Binance pleaded guilty to money laundering charges, which they agreed to pay $4.3 billion in fines, and even landing its CEO 4 months in prison. So I would not put all my money into this coin, but I would invest a bit just to diversify. I think BNB deserves to be at B on this tier list. It's a strong coin with a shady past. I think we all know where I'm going to place PEPE on this tier list. This is just a gamble, man. It's an obvious F. The community is strong, but it's just another meme coin that was pumped a few times, nothing much. This is a very ambitious project that aims to establish a true decentralized internet and its infrastructure. One of the largest blockchain-based operating systems in the world. It's awesome and looks like it's going to keep growing. In 2018, TRON acquired BitTorrent, the world's largest peer-to-peer file sharing service, and it's now integrated into TRON's blockchain. I think this coin has potential with good utility and burning after transactions to make the supply lower over time. It's cool, but I'd stay skeptical. It's a centralized coin with TRON's founder having too much control. I was going to place TRON at C on this tier list, but TRON founder Justin Sun saying he's the top Trump meme coin holder automatically lowers the tier of this coin by 1. Oh, and do you know that banana taped on the wall? He bought it for $6 million and then ate it. So Cardano is a nice coin, but nothing special. It has a pretty good market cap of around $30 billion, ranked at number 10 on most valuable crypto coins. The max supply is fixed, and Cardano has a lot of real-world applications, especially in Africa and Asia. I think this coin has some potential to grow more, but at a very slow pace. So I'd rather buy other crypto like Ethereum or Bitcoin instead. Even though Cardano is cool, there are so many better options that will appreciate faster over time, so I'll place it at C on this tier list. Another crypto coin by Trump? Seriously? You know what they say.
Buy Trump coin once, shame on you. Buy Trump coin twice. I love losing money.
Let me give you just one advice for buying crypto, and you don't need to watch any other videos. Because most of the times the people talking about crypto to invest are the ones pumping the coin. Honestly, the best advice I can give for buying crypto is pretty simple. Ignore all the meme coins, because if they are already known, then you are too late. Just buy Bitcoin and some Ethereum, and if you still have cash laying around, then you can risk in other coins, but at that point, you'll mostly be gambling. Just like other investments, you should buy crypto thinking in the long term, or else you're gonna have a bad time.